Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about compassion, what it means, how we show it, and how working together can we make our university and the world more caring places. Let us start with the compassion. What is compassion? First off, compassion is a more than just feeling sorry for someone. For example, to me, it's a two things. Knowing when someone or something is hurting, and then wanting to do something to help. For example, it's like when you see your classmate struggling with the assignment. You don't just say that's tough. You ask they if they want to study together. Or when you see a stray dog hungry, you give it some food if you can. It's about connecting with pain, but not stopping there. Compassion pushes us to act. And here's the another how we express compassion. Now, how do we show this care for people or for our environment? For people, it can be small things, holding the door for someone, listening with a friend is upset, or sharing your lunch if a classmate forgot their lunch. It can also be bigger, speaking up when someone is being treated unfairly, or volunteering a local shelter there in Talavera or Nueva Ecija. We all have, uh, we all have different needs. So, compassion means paying attention to someone actually needs. That's just what we think they need. And for environment, our planet is like a big community too, and it's struggling. Compassion here means to taking care of the world we share. Simple things, turning off lights when we have leaving a room, throwing trash in the right bins, or washing water. Especially since many places here faces water shortage. It also means caring about the land and animals around us. For example, not cutting down trees unnecessarily or keeping our rivers clean so fish can live and we can have a safe water. Role of communal discernment. Okay, so we know that compassion is and how we show it. But how do we make sure our whole community, like is our university, Pan Pacific University, and the world becomes more compassionate? That's where communal discernment comes in. Communal discernment just means working together to think things through and make a good choice for our university. Instead of one person deciding what's best, we talk as a group, students, teachers, and staffs, and the utilities. We ask a question like, what do our classmates needs to feel supported? Or how we can make campus more eco-friendly. When we work together, we hear different ideas. Maybe a student from a rural area know what's about farming and can help also start a campus garden. Or a teacher can share always to make learning more accessible for everyone. And for the world, problems like climate change or poverty affects everyone. So we can solve them alone. Communities comes together to plan clean drives, start recycling programs, or help families hit by typhoons, feeding programs, something we know well here in the Philippines. Communal discernment make us sure no one's left out. It helps us find solutions that work all people and protect our planet for generations. So, to wrap up, compassion is caring and acting to help. We show it to people around us and to our environment. And we have to work together to make decision we can build a more compassionate place to live, learn, and grow.